So here, as you can see, I have a bunch of photos on my folder called images, and now I want to add my logo or watermark to all of these photos automatically. And here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Photoshop and open a photo from your photo folder. So let's open this photo, and now click on Window and click on Actions to open the action panel. Here we have to create a new set. So click on this folder icon and giving the set name, adding logo, and then click on this action icon to create a new action and giving the action name logo, and then click on record. Now click on File, click on Place Embedded, and now from your computer just browse the logo, select the logo and click on Place. Once the logo added, now you can change the logo position, you can resize your logo and then click on OK. And now click on File, Save As, select Format, I'm selecting JPEG, and go to your image folder. Here, as you can see, I've already created a logo added folder. Now I want to save all of my logo added images to this folder. So I'm just selecting the folder, and after that just close this project without saving, and now you have to open another random project and then just click on Stop Recording. And after the close, here you'll see this make option. Just delete this make action, and that's it. Now it's time to add multiple logos in our photo. So click on File and click on Automate, click on Batch and Set. Click here and select the set that you just created, and Action, select the action, and Source, I'm selecting folder because I want to import photos from a specific folder, and clicking on Choose, and then select the folder which contains all of your images, and Destination, I'm selecting folder, clicking on Choose and selecting this folder. So I want to save all of my image logo added images into this folder, and then all you have to need, just click on OK, and your logo will be automatically added to your photos. Once done, I'm going to opening my file explorer, going to the folder, and here you can see this is my images without logo. Opening this folder, and here you can see my logo successfully added to all of these photos.